This world is not our home to dwell in. Our home is in the heavens above. Oh, come to take your children home. March on to pray, for we know not the day nor the hour. Though we fall and be discouraged in life, your hand of mercy lifts us up. We give our lives to your control, trusting in your power to sustain us. This world is not our home to dwell in. Our home is in the heavens above. Oh, come to take your children home. Oh, Lord, come. Oh, come. Oh, Lord, this world is not our home to dwell in. Our home is in the heavens above. Oh, come to take your children home. In this world we face trials and pain, but we know that they will end someday. One day tears will be wiped from our eyes, and the worries and pain shall cease. One day Jesus will come again to redeem us from all our troubles. Oh, Lord, come. Oh, Lord, this world is not our home to dwell in. Our home is in the heavens above. Oh, come to take your children home. Oh, Lord, come. Oh, Lord, this world is not our home to dwell in. Our home is in the heavens above. Oh, come to take your children home. Oh, come. Oh, Lord, this world is not our home to dwell in. Our home is in the heavens above. Oh, come to take your children home. Oh, come. Oh, Lord, this world is not our home. Our home is in the heavens above. Oh, come to take your children home. Our home is in the heavens above. Oh, come to take your children